Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're the JR Bros, Siobhan,
Jordan.
and in this video we're going to talk about, is Azpilicueta still fit to remain as Chelsea captain? And if he's not, who should be his replacement? Interesting.
Should I go first?
Take it away, bro.
I still think Azpilicueta is fit enough to be Chelsea captain. We might all be impressed with all of Azpilicueta's performances, but I think that you can see the passion. The passion is clear. The passion in him. The passion. I see him as someone. I see him as a leader. I don't think I've seen anyone in the team with his leadership capabilities. I think Azpilicueta is spot on when it comes to leadership, and if he would, cause it's the same player like from probably like who won trophies with us from over the years. The same Azpilicueta is. I don't think he's been any faster. I don't think he's been any pacier.
Bro,
I don't think he has more pace. He's had more pace.
Bro,
but
I need some of what you're smoking. But you're cracking your.
he's not been faster, right? He's not been a pacey right back over the years. When he bought him, he wasn't pacey.
No, but he was.
But he was a good player.
Yeah.
He was still good.
Yeah.
So I don't think the pace is the problem. His pace is not his problem.
But
I think his positional awareness is probably what he needs to correct, what he needs to work on, because they are professional footballers, and I expect better from him, and I don't think anyone else should be captain.
Alright, you guys want to know what I think? Because I need some of what he's smoking.
Yeah, what do you think? What do you think, bro?
I think Azpilicueta should not.
That's blasphemy, bro.
Should not be Chelsea's captain. You know why?
Blasphemy.
Let me tell you.
Why?
Chelsea has been picking their captains since John Terry left. Chelsea been picking captains based on experience and not leadership abilities. Gary Cahill.
So you're saying that that's
Gary Cahill, and then because Gary Cahill got Azpilicueta.
So
Azpilicueta been there the longest.
So bro, you're saying
Right.
that Azpilicueta does not have good enough leadership.
I'm not saying he doesn't have I'm not saying he doesn't have leadership abilities, but they're not good enough for this team, bro. They're not good enough. We're dealing with modern day footballers here. These guys are soft. They're not like the back in the days tougher guys that we had through our golden age. You know what I mean? We're trying to make a new golden age right now with some softer guys. You get me? So
Alright, come on with your blasphemy.
let me tell you. For example, last year, Bridget, with the Kepa incident and Sarri incident, Kepa didn't want to come off the field. You know how freaking embarrassing that was? You know
I know.
I felt so cringeworthy looking at that video.
Yeah.
Like I was watching the match live.
Yeah.
Felt so cringeworthy watching that. And David Luiz was the only one who went over to Kepa and like, you know,
That's true.
ask him, yo, you know what I mean? Azpilicueta as a captain, you think he could do that in John Terry's team? You're mad?
I don't think he.
Are you mad, bro?
John Terry said it himself that he would have drawn him off the field.
Exactly, like, yo, that's crazy, bro.
But David Luiz is on
Also,
the team
to show
right
you
now.
again, that's the thing. You see, if he wasn't Azpilicueta and David Luiz was there, I would pick David Luiz as his captain. But here
Would
what?
David Luiz get a?
Here what?
Would David Luiz start
But
the
here
game?
what? But here what? Probably not, and that's why he's not the one I would pick. But let me tell you,
Alright.
another mishap with Azpilicueta being captain this year, the penalty against Valencia. Barkley, no matter who is gonna take that penalty for Chelsea, we should not have any players up there whispering and, you know, trying to convince them and talking down to them or whatever they were saying. We don't know, but you know what I mean? Like, that shouldn't be going on. You should leave the penalty taker to himself, let him focus and try to score. Barkley could have scored that if those guys didn't step up to him. You get what I'm saying? Azpilicueta, where was Azpilicueta, bro? Where was Azpilicueta? He was nowhere to be found.
What I have to say though,
If it was John Terry's team, John Terry would have took the ball and put it on the penalty spot and call the penalty taker, take the penalty.
I get your point. But I don't think Barkley is our designated penalty taker.
That's beside the
I don't
point.
think Willian is our designated.
That's besides the point.
I don't even know who exactly is our designated penalty taker right now.
That's besides the point, bro. What I'm saying is John Terry would have called whoever the penalty taker is because they would know, because Lampard would have told them. Lampard is probably not trying to throw Barkley under the bus. Trust me. But just to focus on the captain's role of Azpilicueta. If it was John Terry, he would have called the penalty taker and tell him take the penalty. And those other players wouldn't dare talk back at John Terry.
I get your point. But where were the other players who are, since Azpilicueta should not be captain? The other player that you would pick as captain, where was he?
The other player who I would pick as captain. Let me review first who I would pick as captain.
Where was that player?
The other player I would pick as captain, Jorginho. And let me explain why Jorginho might have. Hold on, you see? William was up there, Tommy Abraham was up there. Jorginho was like the mediator between them all. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Jorginho was like, yo, you got this, and shook his hand and everything. Jorginho didn't dare undermine the man. Say, yo, give me the ball, bro, let me take the penalty.
But did you hear?
Willian looked like, no, but you can see from their body language though. I watched the match. And Willian was more like, yo, you sure you want to take this, bro? Like, yo.
But I think Jorginho went up there to take the penalty though. I think he did that.
But let me tell you, that's also a good thing because just shows Jorginho has leadership skills. You understand me?
Yeah.
Leadership skills. Because if he didn't have leadership skills, he wouldn't have been there as a mediator. Yeah. And he would have like fought for the ball to take the penalty.
Yeah.
He has good leadership skills. He knew when to walk away. He still encouraged him. Willian never did that shit. Where was Azpilicueta to be found in all the midst of this? Nowhere. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Azpilicueta is weak, fam. He has leadership qualities, but not the best in our current team. Sometimes you look at Jorginho linking up the defense and the attack, like Jorginho commanding men to go here and go there, bro. Don't always pay attention to just the ball. Pay attention to some of the man's some of their body language. Jorginho always shouting, always vocal.
Yeah.
Azpilicueta is not a vocal person, Bridget.
I've seen instances where he has been vocal though.
When he's angry?
Not only when.
But not when he doesn't make commands. You see, like how John Terry used to command the back line. Azpilicueta does not command the back line like that. And that's a fact.
Alright, bro.
That's a fact.
So I guess we'll see from other performances if anything changes. But I think the manager knows what he's doing, and I don't think changing the captain changing who's the captain right now would.
Bro, all I can tell you is that if Reese comes back,
because regardless of being captain or not, you should still be a good leader.
When
you
Reese
should still have a voice in the team.
When Reese starts playing again,
yeah,
trust me, Azpilicueta better get used to the bench. Jorginho is gonna take over that armband. It's either Jorginho or Willian, but I don't want Willian to have it. Willian is like I don't really get the captain vibe from Willian. Willian is kind of like
a petty.
He's kind of like a petty person. Those type of guys that I wouldn't want to play with in a football team, to be honest. But he's good though. You know what I mean? But you always have those guys that go on like ball shark type of attitude, and you know. But yeah. Well, guys, thanks for tuning in once again.
Yeah, man.
We hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah, man. Like, subscribe, comment anything that you've liked from the video, anything that you heard that you disagree with.
Who would you choose as your captain?
Yeah.
Comment below.
What are your thoughts?
Share, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, man.